Hey guys, welcome to MNMM PT NAATI YouTube channel. This is Mohit here. Today I am here with an important topic, and that is how to get 79 plus in your PT exam, which is equivalent to IELTS 8 and above. Alright, a lot of students obviously need this score for their immigration purpose to settle in different countries. Australia is one of them. So let us see how we can take this thing seriously and how can we achieve it in the shortest possible time. Now, whenever you have a target like 79 plus in PT, there are two types of students which I have seen. All right. One who think that my English is superb. I have a very good English. I don't think so. I will take a lot of time and I'll just nail it. I don't need any guidance. That's fine. Your English is very good. That's perfectly fine. But this exam is not totally based on how good your English is. All right. It is also based on a lot of strategies like time management and lot other skills, because you might be spending time on a topic that's actually 0 marks weightage, and because of that you might miss solving a topic that is actually 40 marks weightage. So no matter how good your English is, if you do not have that correct approach towards the exam, you may or may not get your desired score. All right, so that is one category of students. Second, they feel that I can never get this. It's so hard. 79 8 IELTS, I can never even dream of that, and my English is not good. I don't think so I can get it. Again, you're wrong. As I said, this is not totally dependent on how good your English is. Your English might not be very good, but if you practice the topics and you follow the strategies that we share for every single topic, trust me, I have had students who have studied in different language medium school. They have never been to English medium school and they have got 8 each, and not only 8 each, they've got 90 as well, in spite of not studying English in their school days. So please get that out of your mind that you can do it very easily or you can not do it no matter what you do. So that is first thing that I want to share. Second thing is, whenever you plan for 79 plus, have a date written in front of you. Okay, this is the date I want to give exam. Let's say, for example, 30th May. That, do not book your exam. I'm not asking you to book your exam. Just write it down. Okay, now you know how much time do you have to prepare for your exam and how much time do you have to give your exam. So 30th May, which means I have roughly two months. Okay, because March is almost done. Obviously it's done by the time this video is out. I think March is done, and April and May, so 2 months. Now you know that you have 2 months and you have to prepare for 79. What is the next thing you need? You need a study plan, because a lot of students, what they do is they wake up, oh, today my mood is to do listening, let me do listening today. No, that is not the correct approach. Don't study based on your mood. Okay, study on the basis of priorities. Okay, so a study plan is very important. Now, there are 20 topics in PT. Do I need to prepare all 20 if I want 79 and above? No, you do not need to do that. What are the topics that I can ignore preparing? Okay, I'm not saying never ever have a look at them. Don't prepare them. One day, let's say your exam is after a week, just sit one day and go through those topics from any website that you're following or any videos that you are following. You can also go to our channel and follow the videos of those topics. So topics that you should not waste your time on are answer short questions in speaking, that you should not prepare. Then multiple choice, single and multiple in reading and listening, both the sections, which means total 4 topics. Then select missing word and highlight correct summary. These are the topics I would not sit and prepare. So if you count the total, 4 MCQs and answer short 5, select missing word, highlight correct summary 7. Okay, 7 topics literally I do not even need to prepare, even if I need 79 and above. Okay, how many left? 13. Reorder should be the last priority according to me. Reorder should only be prepared if you feel that your read aloud is very good, your fill in the blanks reading, and writing, and summarize written text. These topics are very good, because these topics are the main reason for your reading score. Again, I'm repeating: read aloud, fill in the blanks reading, and writing, summarize written text. These are the topics that give you the maximum score for your reading. So if you feel all of them are perfectly achieved, then go to reorder. prepare a few questions, and that's fine. But if these topics are not done properly, please don't waste your time doing reorder, doing a lot of questions, because reorder is a bit difficult topic for many students. But comparatively, if you put the effort in the other topics that I told you, you'll get your reading score very easily. Speaking should be taken very sincerely. Okay, according to me, speaking and reading should be practiced every single day. That is my strategy. First thing I would do is I would prepare for reading when I'm active, when I'm most active. It can be early in the morning, it can be whenever you feel that you've just woke up, you have time, prepare for reading then, because fill in the blanks, they take a lot of your energy. You have to use your brain, you can't just waste your time. So that should be the first topic you should sit and prepare. Then finish your speaking. Now speaking, you don't need to specially sit. You can do repeat sentences, describe image while you're doing your housework, you may be traveling. Do it then, who cares? Do your read aloud. I mean, there is no need to scream, but you can do it in a polite way, in a very, very low volume. At least you're using your time. That's what I'm trying to say. If let's say you're cooking, okay, you can do your describe image. You can just wear headphones and do your repeat sentences. You can, while before going to bed, when you're almost ready for sleep, just do 5-6 read alouds. Okay, this is how you can use your time to finish your speaking section. All right, and then you can divide the rest of the day into listening or writing. If you're doing listening today, do writing tomorrow. If you're doing writing today, do listening tomorrow, alternatively. All right. So that is something you need to have. You need to have a study plan. If it is a Sunday, I would sit and prepare my study plan for the next week, Monday to Saturday. I would do reading, I would do speaking, and I would do writing. The next day, reading, speaking, listening. Why? Because when I wake up on Monday, I exactly know my day. I know what am I supposed to do, and I will exactly follow the study plan. And if I have achieved what I was supposed to achieve, I'll put a tick. Because when you put that tick, you get that sense of accomplishment, all right, and which is very, very important. Follow this pathway, have a pathway towards your destination. That's when you'll feel that, okay, I've done something. And that's when one-on-one consultations also come in picture. Feel free to get in touch with us using Instagram, Facebook Messenger. Just search for our channel's name, MNMM PTE NAATI. Every single day we are giving so many one-on-one consultation. It can be 30 minutes, it can be 1 hour, it can be more. Now consultations can be regarding, you want to do a test in front of us, let's say speaking test, to see how your speaking is, because a lot of students, they rely on the scores from different websites. Let me tell you, those scores are not good enough to tell you that whether you are good or bad. They are not relevant enough. Okay, they are not reliable also, I would say. So don't blindly trust any scores you get from any website. Obviously I'm not going to take any names out here, but you exactly know what I'm referring to. All right, so because an X website is telling you that you've got 80 doesn't mean you're very good in speaking, or if a website is telling you got 30 in speaking doesn't mean you are very bad in speaking. Best thing is take feedback from a human being. That's the best person to tell you whether you're doing good or bad. So feel free to book as many one-on-one consultations with myself, with Mohit, and we are more than happy to help you, in your speaking, in your reading, in your listening, in your writing, to make study plans for you, to help you in the best possible way. Last week has been tremendous. Students have been messaging us on Instagram saying that I've got my score, whether it is NAATI or whether it is PT. I'll give you the most recent example. I'm not going to take the name of the person because I haven't got the authority to take that name. But this girl, she texted us. I think she gave exam 3 or 4 times, and if you are watching this video, I'm sure you know I'm talking about you. She said that I've been getting my scores in all the sections, but speaking is the section I never get my score. She always used to get less than 65. She was aiming for 65, 57, 58. I think she gave exam 5 times. I'm not sure. Now, she came to us, and then we took one consultation with her for her speaking, just for her speaking, 1 hour consultation. And her speaking was not right. She was only not following one thing in her entire speaking section, and that's the reason she was not getting score. I think 2 days ago, she texted us and she said, I got 84 in speaking and I can't thank you enough. And this is what we need, one consultation, 1 hour, and job done. She got her speaking score. So not necessary that you have to waste hours and hours of classes and lots of money to get your score. Sometimes small little things, they do the magic. So let us know if you need any such help, and we are more than happy to help you. All right, with that, I'll take your leave. Follow these guidelines that I shared. Prepare only the other topics that I told you, not those 7 topics. Have a study plan, have a strategy, follow it. Put tick marks if you have done that. Practice a lot. Book one-on-one consultations if you need, and then take feedback. Work, practice, take feedback. Work, practice, take feedback. If you don't take feedback, you do not know whether what you are doing is good or bad. Studying 10 hours doesn't mean that you are you are a hard-working student, but are you a smart working student? That's the difference. All right. So work hard, but also work smart. And what is work smart? Feedback. All right. With that, I'll take your leave. Bye for now.